one of the most amazing features that I've seen on One UI 7, and this feature is noise removal from your videos. It's almost magical. So if you go in gallery and select any one of your videos, I have selected this one because it's really windy and noisy, and there is some background voice as well, so we can make use of this feature. So this is the video here, and all you have to do is tap on this Galaxy AI button, and it will analyze the video and analyze the sound, and it will come back with the voices, with the wind, and with the noise. So let's see what this feature can do. Let's go with the wind first. So you will hear a lot of wind noise here, and if I move it to the right, it will almost negate all the wind noise. And now if we go on noise and I move it here, all the noise is gone. The video is clean now, and only background voices are left, and then I can amplify these voices so you can hear them more clearly. So there you go. Other than that, the whole video is now silent. The wind noise is gone, the background noise is gone. It's just fantastic to see how Samsung has implemented this feature, and it's almost magical. You can do a lot with this feature and it really works. And you can tap here to hear the original as well. So let's go ahead. So that's the original. Let me show you the edited version now. Everything's gone. Now there is also an auto feature here, so if you tap on it, it will automatically adjust all of this stuff for you. You don't have to do anything. There it is, and then you can save this edit.